Samuel.
Okay, so guys, first of all, in order to log into our learning management system online, first of all, you have to open our website, wintechedu.com, which we'll be sending you. So as you click on our website link, I think there's a lot of disturbance coming. Can all of you mute yourself? There's a lot of disturbing from other people. I'm not able to talk. Yes, now it's clear. So as you enter our website, as you click on the link of website which we'll be sending you, after you click on the link, the same interface which you are seeing right now on my screen will open up. You know, so as you see this interface, so you have to go in the main menu bar. You know, as you see the main menu bar, there is a home, about us, our team, beard entrance, and there is a beard and embed. You see, so if you are enrolled, like for, I think we have a two category of students here. First one who are enrolled under beard for Punjab University Patiala, and second one of Kurukshetra University. Am I right? You know, and some are enrolled in the CDLU, that I think sir would guide them individually one-on-one. So, but I am here addressing two type of students. First one is a beard students Punjab University Patiala, and second beard students of Kurukshetra University. So as you open the main menu bar, so now since you are a beard students, you have to click here. As you click on the beard, so this is how the interface will open. Can you see the open up? You know, second window.
Yes, yes. Okay, clear.
So now as you clicked on the beard, that beard option, so this is a drop down has opened up. So the new page has opened up. So as you see, there are different options. First option is the overview, beard. Second one is eligibility. Third one is the services offered by Wintech. Third one, universities. Fourth one, required documents and employability. And you have to go in the last option, that is called registration form. I'm clear so far? The first step is you have to go in the beard. Second, as the page is opened up, you have to go in the last option called registration form. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
as you click on the registration form, then again you will be led to another new page. So I have clicked over here. So as you click on the registration form, there would come registration form. Click for a registration form. So as you click over on this registration form, so you will have three menus open to you. You know, there are three options. You'll get it.
Three windows.
Yes. Three windows will open up. So first window is about Punjab University Patiala beard students. Second one is ML program under Punjab University Patiala. And the third one is the beard student of Kurukshetra University. So now, since there are two categories of students here of beard, Punjab University Patiala and Kurukshetra. Now, for example, let's take the first scenario. The first scenario is I'm going to, as you see the first option, the first window, as you just drop down, in each window below, you will find an option called sign up now. Can you see the option sign up now? Is it clear, guys? Okay.
Yes.
So I'm going to click on the Punjab University Patiala beard on the sign up. So as you click on the sign up here, you will be led to another page. So this is how the page would open up in the next 1 minute. Give me a second. So this page would open up. Can you see this new page?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this page is a consultancy come coaching from beard embed. So now as you open up, if you are opening under beard under Punjab University Patiala, automatically the university would be shown. Like for example, we have chosen the option, chosen the window of beard Punjab University Patiala. So automatically the university name is mentioned by default and the course name is mentioned. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you with me so far?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So now next one, the university name and the course name will come by default as you select it. And then you have to go in the session. So as all of you are enrolled in the session 21-23, you have to choose the session over here, 21-23. You have to, now the fourth option is buy course, you know. So as you click on the buy course option, the two options will be open. So you have to go for the first option, don't go for the semester wise. You have to choose the full course, that is rupees 19,999. Am I right? So you have to choose the first option since you have paid the fees already. So full course, you have to click over here. Don't click on the semester wise, otherwise a different interface will open up. You have to choose only one option, full course, rupees 19,999. Okay. So as I've clicked here, okay, now I'm moving down. So now you have an option here. So we are done with the course details. And now second option we're coming is a create username and password. This is something where you have to do it by yourself, so you can create any password, this password could be, used by different characters. Like you can use, like, for example, Bharti 123, or password could be. So you can create any password, using multiple characters. That would be nice if you can use the multiple characters as long as you remember, because the same password will be used for your further access for all the study material.
सर एक आप एग्जांपल दे दो, एक कोई भी ना क्रिएट कर दो इसमें.
Like for example, I am creating
Samuel 1234 कर दो.
I'm creating Rekha,
Rekha 1234.
Rekha 1 2 3 create कर दिया मैंने. So I'm creating the password.
सेम कर दो, Rekha 1123 सेम कर दो.
Okay, yes. R Rekha @123 कर दिया मैंने. ठीक है, @ कर दिया.
सेम रख लो सैमुअल, बाद में ना ओपन करके भी दिखाएंगे हम.
Okay, fine, no worries. Okay, so I'm keeping the same password. Rekha 123.
Rekha 1123 है, Rekha 1123.
Okay, I'll just change over here. Fine. Okay, so the password is Rekha 123 and the username and the password also is the Rekha 123. Now the student name is Rekha. Okay, father's name is Inder, and the date of birth we choose here. What about
screen ऊपर करो थोड़ी सर, screen ऊपर कीजिए.
Yes. So I am going to put the date of birth as a 15/07. Okay.
Go on. No worry, sir. No worry. Go on. Okay.
This is just for example. Okay. I'm just doing for example.
Okay.
So the number I'm going to put is 82643927 and 26. So email could be anyone.
@gmail.com. ऊपर gender भी select कीजिए, gender ऊपर.
Okay, gender is
female.
Okay, so now address is 448.
Screen थोड़ा ऊपर करें सर, सभी को नजर आ जाए.
Okay.
थोड़ा ऊपर करो screen.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
This is the last step.
This last step, G block, city Ludhiana. Okay, and select option the Punjab. Dr. Lalit, can you call Ajit? She has come to take the notes. She's at my place. Can you just call her, Ajit?
Okay.
Yeah, she's calling me.
Okay.
Okay. So is it clear now so far? I have filled my address space, all the details. Now the last option is a select payment method. Okay. So you have to click on the online payment. As you click on the online payment, this pop-up would open up. So just close it. As the pop-up is open, the pop-up would close down with the close option. Now you have to create and check out. Can you see the last option?
Yeah.
Create account and check out. So as you could come create and check out, now your profile is created, so as this pop-up is opened up, so you can see your profile. First of all, your interface opened up. Now there is a welcome note you can see over here. Hi Rekha on the top. This has become your personal interface, kind of like, for example, you have your Facebook account. Am I right? So Facebook, you have your Hi Rekha. The same way, this is your personal interface that would show up whenever you open up. It will address you with your name, and then
Click on online study material.
Now you have to click on the online study material. Okay. Second one. Now you, as you clicked on the online study material, you have 4 options. There are 4 semesters in the under Punjab University Patiala B.Ed program. The semester 1, semester 2, semester 3, and semester 4. Am I with you guys? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, I'm just clicking on the semester 1.
Okay.
Okay. Now, as I have clicked on the semester 1, I am not able to access into the study material of semester 1 because the access of this user ID is not granted from the backend. You know. So when you create it, now option come here. You see the first option. Please upgrade course to view the semester and year. So that means once you have created, you are done create. You know, you have created your user ID. Either you have to drop, just send me a message or send Dr. Lalit a message that we have created a user ID password. Kindly give us the access. So we will grant the access from the backend. You know, from the admin part, we will give that. Then you will have. So can you do the access from your side?
आप ऐसे है ना, now you know process has completed. Okay.
Yes.
आप अपने Samuel 1.2 से इनको बता दो how you have to enter and go into this.
Okay, fine, all right.
Log out कर लो इसको.
Okay, so can you give me 1 second? Then I'll just give the phone to Rekha.
So guys, this is your now the process has completed. Okay, right? After the 24 hours, okay, matlab you would be granted and
yes, I'm back.
Okay, yes, okay.
So yeah. So I think it's done. Now the grant. Now I'm entering a new account. I'm just going to log out from here. I hope everything is clear so far.
Yes, sir.
But still, if you have any doubt, you could connect with me one-on-one. I will take you through one-on-one process. Fine.
Home page पे है ये, home page पे Sam, home page पे.
So I have come to the home page now. I'm just come back to the home page.
ऊपर कर दिए click and now बस just explain how they have to enter username and password.
Yes, I'll do that. It's opening up. Yes. So now, as you come to the main page of the website, so you see on your right side on the top, there are 3 options. You know, you see the college login, student login, and fee transfer. So you have to go into the second one, student login. Correct. So as you go into the second login, so I'm going to enter here another account. Which I'm entering of Punjab University Patiala. Okay, so this is a Christ 1.2, you know. Okay, so I have opened with another account of mine. Hi Samuel, so it is come on the top. So now since this is an active account, other one was not active, that's why we are not able to get into the entire study material. Now we'll follow. I'll just click on the profile again. This is my profile, all my details, everything is over here. Now again go back to the online study material. So as I click on the study material again,
it is opening, sir. Don't click. It is opening.
Okay, it's opened up now. So now again I'll just click on the first semester. Now you see I'm able to open all the papers. Can you see the previous one? The evidence wasn't granted.
Yes, 7 papers. First semester, 7 papers.
So there are 7 papers in the first semester. Philosophical perspective, which sir has already explained to you. You know, and the psychological perspective education, learning teaching process, teaching subject 1, 2, library resources, art and education, experiential learning.
Click
so
on
you will
paper
have
1.
access. So
Yes.
I'll just open the paper 1. So I have opened the paper 1. So as you have opened the paper 1, you will see all the different name of the chapters. Like for example, today you have covered the education, you know, its nature and scope. Am I right? So
Yes.
same material of this which you covered, you will find in the text form over here. There are 3 sections. You will have 3 kind of material, learning material into this. First one, you will find the notes into this. in the PDF form or the PPT form. You will get it. Second, you will have the video. The same video of your live session which was done today would be recorded, uploaded over here today itself. You know, you will find it over the same video over here. And the third one, like for example, third one is MCQ. I'm just clicking on the MCQ. So do you want me to click on the first two or just go with MCQ only?
सर अभी इतना ही है, just इनको अभी enter करने दो, right? वो next में हम कर लेंगे, हाँ. Otherwise ना this will go, you know, long bus. Just for how to create a username and password and how to enter. Bus.
Yeah. So I think it's clear. So you have three options: notes, video, and MCQ is to help you to know how much you have grasped.
Quick links कर दो, explain sir. Samuel sir, quick links explain कर दीजिए. Quick links.
Okay, fine.
थोड़ा screen ऊपर कर दो.
Yes, 1 minute. So other than this one, I'm just going back to study material again. So other than this semester, first, second, third, fourth, there are quick links. So now, for example, many of you have many queries. No, so like for example, for last when as our admission was going on, so many students were asking, sir, could you please give us the latest syllabus? Could you please give us the last year question papers? You know, so in order to resolve all your queries, we have put everything into this interface only in the quick links. So as you go in the quick links, the first option is the latest B.Ed update, B.Ed M.Ed update. So any of the updates, so you have to keep on checking this if possible, maybe in a week 2 or 3 times, you know, to know what is going on in B.Ed and M.Ed, what is the latest information regarding exams, regarding date sheet, what has come up. So I'm just clicking on the latest updates over here. So here all the latest updates would be shared. We will be uploading it every day, whatever information we get from the college, from the university, you know, so you will be getting it here, you know, because otherwise we have to inform you individually, so you'll get it. Now second option is the syllabus. So as we click on the syllabus here, second option, so you will get the latest syllabus of your B.Ed 21-23 latest, what you sir has just presented to you today. Then in the third option, we have last year papers. So we have there are papers of 90-21, there's a 21-23, and there is a 20-22 papers are available. You could click on either of this one,
and they can get access. Yes,
you can get access to it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all these papers are available over here.
Yeah, you can open one paper, Samuel. You can open the paper, one paper.
Okay, so I'll just open the one paper over here.
Last year paper. Yeah.
These are last year papers. Can you see now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So all the last year question papers, because higher are the chances that most likely the questions are being repeated every year. So this would help you. This will go handy with you as you go along. Is it clear so far?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we get access to it. I think all of you have learned how to create a user ID and password. Is there anyone who has any doubt in clarification? So, and I think we'll take one example of Kurukshetra University also.
Same as Samuel, same done.
There it is an annual system. There will be, as you find the 4 options here, first semester 1, semester 2, semester 3. There the option would be annual system. Rest of the things would remain the same. Okay.
KU से आप सर enter कर सकते हो सर Sam?
Yes sir. I was telling you just.
Rekha username and password was. Acha, okay, you have created. Okay.
I have password of. So let's take the another scenario.
नहीं सीधा ही आ जाओ सर वहीं पे student login में सीधा ही.
Student login में जाते हैं.
For KU students ना you can show.
Okay. So KU students.
Anaya 1-2 भी है.
Okay. So this is I'm going to enter into the account of Kurukshetra University, how the interface would look like. Great.
Online study material, click.
Online. Okay. We click on the. So here you find there is this first year and second year.
Yes.
So as you click on the first year, you find the all
7
the
paper. Yes.
7 papers here. Here the name of the papers are a little different, as the sir has told.
But syllabus is same. Yes.
Syllabus is same. Only I think they have reframed the name of the papers. You know. So that's the reason. So here all the 7 papers you'll find it here in the first year, and same goes with the second year also. As you click on the second year, the access has not been granted, so it's not showing up over here.
Yeah, you can log out, Samuel. Yes, yes.
Yeah. So I think hope I was able to make sense out of this what I explained.
We will send this video also now, because it has recorded,
Yes.
Samuel. Should I stop the video?
Yeah, you can stop it. Yes, yes.
So okay, guys.
Okay.
So this is your process. This is your process to creating a username and password for Punjabi University Patiala as well as for Kurukshetra University, right, guys?
Yes.
You
I
have
will
any
stop the
problem,
screen.
you can contact with me or with Samuel. Okay.
Yes.
And even this session has recorded also. We will send you this recorded lecture also. Okay. So that you can see again how to record it. Right. So I'm going to stop this. Thank you so much, guys.